In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a photo to BambooHR. Now to do this, first you want to click on My Info over here in the top left of your dashboard. And then when you are inside your Info tab, you want to go and hover over your profile icon. Usually it's going to be blank if you haven't changed it. And you want to click on this pen icon over here to actually add a photo, okay? So as you can see here, it says add photo. You can just drop your file here to upload or choose it. So I'm going to just click on choose photo. I'm going to go to my downloads folder over here, and I'm just going to search for my logo, which is over here. Of course, you can add a photo of your face or whatever you want. I'm just going to use this logo and click on open. Now, whenever you do this, you can basically kind of resize this if you want to, using these arrows over here to kind of crop it, and then you can see the preview of how it's going to look on different pages, of course, in different sizes. And then you can just click on the save button bottom right over here, wait for a second for this to update, and there we go. You've successfully added a photo on your profile on BambooHR. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.